Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Affiliate Profits Insights, your guide to online success. I'm Luther, and this series is dedicated to helping you master the art of affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to online success. Today, we're diving into how you can become a successful content writer in 2024 with our ultimate guide. Let's get started. Content writing is a valuable skill in today's digital world. Here's how you can excel in 2024. Master the basics. Make sure you have a strong grasp of grammar, punctuation, and different writing styles. Find your niche. Focus on a specific topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Develop a unique voice. Create a distinctive writing style that sets you apart from others. Improve SEO skills. Learn the essentials of SEO to optimize your content for search engines and increase visibility. Build a portfolio. Compile your best work to showcase your skills to potential clients. Network and market yourself. Utilize social media and professional networks to connect with potential clients and promote your services. Stay updated. Keep up with industry trends. For more details on each step, check out the full article on our website. In case English is not your native language, feel free to change our website language to your preference. Be sure to click and check out our top recommended method for achieving consistent daily earnings with zero investment. Watch the free video and get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.